Hey everyone, this is Eric with Dent. Today I'm at a local car dealer and I am going to repair a dent on a Jeep Wrangler. Let's take a look. Here's that dent on the Jeep Wrangler, the infamous cowl panel dent. Right there. It's about the size of a golf ball. Anytime you see a Jeep Wrangler, there's a good chance that you've seen it dented on this panel. What happens whenever the door straps are taken off on the inside and this part of the mirror swings open and it's that part of the panel. Very common for Jeep Wranglers, and we're going to take care of this and make it look like new again. Stay tuned. Okay, here's the results. That Jeep cowl panel, kind of pan back and forth. You can see everything looks great. The dent is gone. No doubt the customer will be happy, and so we can do the same for your car, truck, SUV, or Jeep. Whatever you have, dents, door dings, hail damage, we can take care of it. Give us a call, 828-217-2348. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and on the web at CatawbaValleyDents.com. Thanks for watching.